Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Breaking news out of Iraq. Reuters reported that a drone hit a U.S. diplomatic facility in Iraq. The drone hit the Baghdad Diplomatic Support Center next to the Baghdad airport near a guard tower, according to an internal alert from the department seen by Reuters. Individuals at the facility were ordered to duck and cover. Now, a separate alert said everyone was accounted for. The Washington Post said that a total of 6 drones were launched toward the compound in Baghdad and that 5 were shot down. It also said that the attack was likely carried out by the Islamic Resistance in Iraq, an umbrella group of the Iran-backed armed factions. But more importantly, I want to share this information with you. If the internet goes down, do not worry. I will connect back with you as soon as I can. I say this because it appears that Iran-linked hacker group has claimed responsibility for a cyber attack on a medical tech company in Michigan. The company, Stryker, produces a large range of medical equipment and technology. Do not worry, the greatest minds and cyber attacks are on the job and should have the company back to normal ASAP. But even more disturbing news, I'm sorry guys, I'm only reporting news that could directly affect us or Iraq. Iraq is not in this war, not officially. But they have been attacked by both Iran and the United States. Yes, you heard me right. The U.S. targeted Iran-backed militants in Iraq. Did they get them? Oh, you know they did. You know they did. The channel warned you that this could happen. And with all the news reporting going out, I wanted to be sure that you understand that Iraq is being attacked from both sides. They are feeling the pain from the decision not to disarm militants within their country. I am in Eurasia, near the Black Sea. So far, things here are calm and peaceful. People from all over Europe are traveling here for a holiday. And the reason is that the cost of living here is unbelievably low. And the quality of life is high. And yes, a lot of people here speak Russian.